So this is the second to last week, week 15. I've got up here on the page right now our quiz 11, Gone Bananas with Files. So for both groups, C++ and Python, obviously it's going to be a little bit different because you're implementing in two different languages. Concepts are still the same. Two questions again. One is random numbers. So I created a list of random numbers. You can open up this file. I recommend just saving it. File, save it as randomnumbers.txt. Okay, or you can right click and save as, whatever works for you. You'll make a function called read numbers from file, receives a single parameter, the string, which is the name of the file. It will open the file, process the file, read it all, and then print. I repeat, print. It doesn't return anything. This function is just going to print stuff. So there's no return value. The total, the number of numbers, the arithmetic mean, and the standard deviation. You pretty well know how to do all this before, and you just did an assignment about files, so this should be a breeze. But then again, this is an example exam question. Let's see, number 2, write a function called checkBanana that receives a single parameter of type string, looks in that file for all the number of times that the string banana appears, case insensitive. So there's some tricks you need to do here. Are you going to change the file? There's all sorts of stuff you can do here to check it. And remember, it could be banana stuck together. It doesn't have to be spaces between it. How many bananas can you find in the file? Again, same scoring scheme. Countdown starts tomorrow night, midnight. So yeah, that's April 28th. There you go. So have fun with that. I want to mention for TC1017, you've got a WSQ that I just put up on Friday, I believe. Your WSQ is Scilab. Okay, so Scilab is a great program for you to use. You'll probably use it a lot in the future of your degree programs. So take a look at it. This is the tutorial that I want you to go through. Apply the tutorial and write up a blog post about your experiences with it. That's all I want you to do there. For TC1014, the Python group, I just today posted your final assignment, the movies. Okay, so go take a look at the movies. This is based on some work from these professors here at MSU. They have a pretty good book. I like William Punch and Embody's book on practice of computing using Python. Take a look at their book if you like. I recommend it. But they have an excellent set of exercises as well. I pointed this out to you before. All of their exercises are Creative Commons Share Alike 3.0, so there's no problem with me using them. I haven't actually copied much text from theirs. I should actually bring it in, but I just point you to their assignment. So if you click on this link, you'll notice it just comes up as a directory. There's a Word document and a PDF, same content. The movies.txt file, which is your input file, which is a list of, it's an actor and then their movies. An actor and then their movies on each line. And then you can download this PYC file, but it's a compiled Python file and it only runs, if I'm correct in remembering, Python 2.4. So it might be tricky for you to run. But the PDF is really what you want to look at to get the description. So go ahead and look at that. Implement that. That's your last assignment. The trick really is what you want to do is you want to have a mapping of movies, okay, the dictionary, the key is the movies, a string, and the value of the dictionary map will be a list or even better a set of actor names as strings. Okay, so you basically want to parse the file, create that dictionary, and then let the user do some queries across that dictionary. Okay, have fun. WSQs are all up. We'll have one more quiz next week. You need to get 40 points of masteries done. Your exams are laid out. I keep promising, but I'm going to put the final grades so far and the information about finals there. But you can get to it right there in your page 1 or page 1. Obviously, C++ should be finishing that project as well. Crank away. Have fun, and I'll see you all in class.